This is the step 1 of the writing workshop checklist, unpacking the prompt. The first thing you want to do when you are about to start an essay is read the prompt. And you want to decide why are you reading and what are you writing about. And the answer to that is in the prompt. This prompt reads, scientists have recently recognized resemblances between animals and humans. Write an informative essay explaining the similarities that exist between dogs and humans. Use evidence from the text to support your answer. Now notice that this first sentence here is not really asking us to do anything. And when we're planning, we want to figure out what is the prompt asking us to do. So we're going to find that by looking at the verbs, because verbs are action words. So what is the first verb that is asking us as the writers to do? What's that first verb? Write. So remember, when you unpack the prompt, that circling what you will need to do will help guide your reading and writing. Go ahead and on your own writing packet, circle the word write in your own writing prompt. Then write the word write in your T-chart in your unpacking the prompt portion of your planning sheet. So you're going to write the word write right here. So now we know that we are writing, but what are we writing? An informative essay. You want to go ahead and underline informative essay on your writing prompt, and then go to the T-chart on your planning sheet and write informative essay under the noun phrase for what do you need to know. So we're going to write an informative essay. Your planning sheet should now look something like this, with write and an informative essay on the top line. What's the next verb that's asking us to do something? Explaining. Go ahead and put that on your T-chart as well. What's the noun phrase that follows explaining and tells us what we need to know? The similarities that exist between dogs and humans. So we want to go ahead and add that noun phrase to our T-chart as well. Make sure you're adding this to your planning sheet as we go. Then the next one is use. What's the noun phrase that tells us what we need to know for use? Evidence from the text to support your answer. So your completed T-chart should look very much like this one.